friends, welcome to the Education Hub Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we can discuss about the MySQL and SQL. So, first of all, what is meant by the MySQL and SQL? What is the difference we can discuss about in this video? First, MySQL definition. What is meant by the MySQL? MySQL is nothing but it is a very popular open source relational database management system. So it is called as a RDBMS. So it is very open source and it is a very free and it is a very fast and reliability, scalability and it is easy to use. For example, by using the MySQL, we can easy to use and easy to understand the queries. So it is dealing with both small and large applications. It will be handle the two applications. Either it is small, either it is large. So, in our daily life, what is the use of the MySQL? Means, for example, Facebook, Twitter, these are the by built by the MySQL. By using the MySQL only, it will be build the MySQL and YouTube, Uber, Booking. So these applications are made up of the MySQL. So by using these HTML, we can easy to build the applications. So this is the use of the MySQL. Next, SQL. SQL means it is the abbreviation of the structure query language and it is a standard language for dealing with the relational database. It is mainly dealing with the database. Why we use the SQL means it is used to insert, research, update and delete the database records. By using these HTML, we can easy to insert because of it has a syntax and we can follow that syntax. We can easily insert the values into the table or record. So this is the use of the SQL. So next one is a database tables. So what is meant by the database means it is a collection of data and views. So that is called as a database. Here what is the database table means a table is a collection of related data entries and it consisting of columns and rows. Table having the rows and columns. So a column holds a specific information about the every record in the table. So that the column means is nothing but a field in the MySQL and row is nothing but it is a record and it is each individual entity that exists in the table. For example, I take as for example, I take as a name. So name is the column. So name is the column here. So we can build one table. So this name is nothing but it is a column and it is nothing but a field in MySQL. So this is a one field. Name is a field in the table. So record means it's consisting of rows. Rows is nothing but records in the MySQL. So this is the difference between the column and row. Column is field and row is record. So this is recorded in the table. So how to create the database. The create database command is used to create the a new MySQL database. Why we use this database means we can create a new HTML database into the MySQL. So by using the created database, we can implement the MySQL database. So syntax for it, create database name. So example, create database, I take it as a college is a database. This is the creation for the database. I will show one example. Open the MySQL command line client, open it and enter the password. I can create I can create a new database in the MySQL. So create database. Database name is college. So database name is college and enter. So query okay, one row added. So our database will be added. So next, use database means we can select the database from the existing we can already created that database, created database, we can use database. Syntax for the use database name, only just use database name, already we are created. Show here, see here, see, use database name is what, college is our database, enter. So database change and we are enter into that database. Next command, how to show the database. For example, I already create the college database. For example, I open newly, how I forgot my database, how to see that the database means we can use the show database. The show database is used to the previous database. Syntax for is show databases. So whenever you have to write this command, show database, enter it to, it will be display the previous created database. You can choose, you can create that database, it will be stored in the databases. So I will show databases. If it is there in my data in the database or not, it will be checked the by using the show databases. So enter. So I created, what is the database name, college is stored in the database. Okay, next come drop database. What is use of the drop database means the drop database command is used to delete an existing MySQL database. For example, here we are taking a college actually. So drop database means, for example, I already created my database name, but that database I don't want that database. But how can you delete means, by using the drop database, we can easily remove the database in the SQL. So syntax for it, drop database name. This is the syntax for the drop database. Example, drop database name I take as a college. So already we are already created. So drop database database name is college. So query okay, zero rows affected. So if it is there in our database or not, it will be deleted or it will be there. How to check means, show databases, so it will be deleted. So these are the using in the basic, how to create the database, how to use the database, how to drop the database. These three are the main important in the SQL in starting stage.